Today, I'm going to show you how to clear Telegram cache on your PC, MacBook, or laptop. If Telegram is taking up too much space or running slowly, this guide will help you free up storage and optimize performance. Let's get started. Launch the Telegram app on your computer. Click on the three horizontal lines menu icon in the top left corner to open the side menu. Then select Settings. In the Settings menu, click on Advanced. This is where you can manage cache and other technical settings. Under the Storage section, you'll see how much space Telegram is using. Here you can clear files separately, such as images, stickers, media cache. I clear my check completely by clicking on the button Clear All. And that's it. By clearing the cache, you've freed up storage and improved Telegram's performance. Remember, clearing cache won't delete your messages, or Mediate only removes temporary files. If this video helped you out, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Got any other Telegram tips you'd like to learn? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.